Good morning, Picture Perfect people. I hope that you are having a great start to your day. I just want to give you a quick reminder that tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, we will be going live on YouTube as we did a month ago. But this time, our special guest stars, and yes, there's two of them, will be Brian and Kevin Ramsey. These are two of the leading landscapers in Virginia. They do amazing work. Take a look at some of these pictures here. Not only do they create beautiful installations that have won national recognition, but they can do other things too, like grading and hardscaping and drainage. They seriously do it all, to the point where they have such an amazing reputation, they've even gotten a TV show. Check out clips from Backyard Staycation.
I'm Brian Ramsey. She's the client. The client's always right.
And I'm Kevin Ramsey.
You can handle all this by yourself?
I can handle that.
Are you sure?
And together, we transform boring backyards into vacation-worthy destinations.
It's beautiful.
Some of the challenges we were facing is getting Kevin to actually work.
They're so soft, I just couldn't resist.
I bet.
I wasn't sleeping. Furniture was so comfy.
Somebody has to work.
I know. Back to work with you. We like to layer plants with all of our design work, just to give it that rich depth.
And clustered pots.
Want to take a nap feel.
So you want to take a nap on everything.
You work me to the bone.
The backyard for my event is completely transformed. It looks a million times better. The Ramsey brothers are fabulous, and they did exactly what I asked them to do.
We are so proud to have Brian and Kevin not only as friends, but as colleagues as well. Anytime that we have clients who need something in terms of landscaping, whether it's a grading issue or interest in expanding or creating a flower bed, anything like that, this is who we recommend because they do high quality work and they are resourceful and they're a family company like we are. In addition to that, they're also great with the maintenance and upkeep. Straightforward mulch projects, pruning, weeding, cleanups, anything like that. Kevin has a team that can come in and help you make sure that everything on your property stays picture perfect, not just the lawn. So I'm really excited to sit down with these guys tonight and talk about landscaping, kind of branch out, no pun intended, from the fescue talk that we've been doing so much lately. And I really hope that you guys will be able to join me. If you don't think you can make it at 9 o'clock Eastern Time tonight, that's no big deal. We want you there, but we also would love to have you post your questions in the comments of this video below so that I can make a list prior and make sure that those questions are answered during the time that we're featuring Brian and Kevin. I appreciate you guys checking in with us this morning. Be sure to log in tonight. Go ahead and make a YouTube account now so that you'll be able to comment and participate. If you're a Picture Perfect client, be sure to comment and participate. And we might even be having a giveaway incorporated into this live show. So be sure to log in, and if you have any questions for Brian and Kevin, feel free to list them below. We'll see you guys tonight. Take care.